Thanks for chatting. We're going to go ahead and learn the verse of Metallica's Nothing Else Matters real quick here. Starts with an E minor. So close, no matter how far. So it's E minor, couldn't be much more from the heart. The next two chords are D major, and that's going to be an index finger on the 2nd fret of the G, fourth finger, or ring finger on the 3rd fret of the B, and then middle finger on the 2nd fret of the E. Creates a nice little beautiful major sound like that. Hello from France. Hey, good to see you. The 3rd chord in this verse is C major. That's going to be your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the A, your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the D, and then your index finger is going to go on the 1st fret of the B string, or of the C, yeah, of the B string right there. And that's going to be the 3rd chord that's going to be in the actual sequence for Metallica's Nothing Else Matters. Could you soon play Wonderwall? Yeah, we could probably do Wonderwall after we're done doing all these lessons. I think I might have time for that. Stick around. So here's the verse for Metallica's Nothing Else Matters. E minor, so close, no matter how far. D, C. Couldn't be much more from the heart. It keeps doing that. Done who we are. And then here's the new sequence, G. And nothing else matters. So what are those two chords that we throw in at the end of the verse? That's a G chord. And nothing else matters to a B7 back to the E minor. Now, a G chord is one of the few chords that uses all 4 fingers, actually, and you're going to put your middle finger on the 3rd fret of the E string. That's 1, 2, 3, and then your index finger goes on the 2nd fret of the A string. Your ring finger and your pinky are tucked right there at the bottom of the 6 strings on B and E 3rd fret. 1, 2, 3. And that forms your G chord, just like that. Then there's B7. And nothing else matters. That's going to be your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the A, index on the 1st fret of the D, and then you're going to tuck your ring finger underneath all of that onto the 2nd fret of the G, right there. Then your pinky goes on the 2nd fret of the high E string. So it forms this chord. That's B7 right there. And nothing else matters. So I'll play you the verse and then we'll move on to the chorus, okay? The verse to Metallica's Nothing Else Matters starts with an E minor. So close, no matter how far. D, C. Couldn't be much more from the heart. Same thing. Forever trusting who we are. And then G, and nothing else matters. B7, and then matters. So that's what you're going to do for the verse of Metallica's Nothing Else Matters. But then we're going to move into the second part of this, which is never cared for what they do. It's D. Actually, it's C, A, D. Never cared for what they do. So it's going to be a C chord to start that chorus off, and then an A chord, and then a D chord. And it's still in that same waltz. Never cared. Actually, it goes C, A, D. Never cared for what they do. Never cared for what they know. But I know. So there's really only two sections of this song. It's just a verse and a chorus when it comes to these different chord progressions. But that intro is a riff where it's basically E minor, And there's a little second guitar that's playing on top of that. But we're not going to go into all that. We're just learning the chords for this song, Metallica's Nothing Else Matters. All right, let's review. The verse is E minor. So close, no matter how far, D, C. Couldn't be much more from the heart, D, then C. But at the very tail end, it goes to G, and nothing else matters. That's G, B7, and then E minor. Then the chorus is C, A, D. Never cared for what they do. Never cared for what they know. But I know. Back to the E minor. So your chorus is C, A, and D major. And the way I play A is just with one finger like this. A lot of people will do it with 3 fingers. As you can see, you put your 3 fingers on the 2nd fret of the D string, G string, and B string. I just layer one finger across these 3 strings. It makes most sense for me when I'm moving around on guitar. I also think I saw Kurt Cobain do it that way a long time ago in some video, and I was like, well, that's how Kurt Cobain's playing his A chord when he's doing, you know, rape me again. So because he was doing that just with one finger, I figured, what the hell, let's just play A like Kurt does it. So anyways, that's how you do Metallica's Nothing Else Matters.